Rhubarb ice cream. It's delicious and fruity.
Hello again. This week it's all about rhubarb. Our rhubarb is ready for harvesting. I've cut some here and we're going to turn it into rhubarb ice cream.
Morning, evening, afternoon, day. Rhubarb ice cream. If you take a scoop, it's like a dream. Rhubarb ice cream. It's delicious and fruity. It really is a beauty. Head to demijohn.co.uk for a recipe that'll make your day. If you love it.
I've got my rhubarb and ginger and tonic, and I've got my rhubarb ice cream.
Rhubarb ice cream. If you take
Here's the rhubarb. Oh, delicious.
It's delicious and fruity, it really is a beauty. Rhubarb ice cream. If you take a scoop, it's like a dream. Rhubarb ice cream. It's delicious and fruity, it really is a beauty. It's really simple for you to make, 'cause ice cream doesn't require a bake. Just add the sugar and the cream. Of course the rhubarb, there's your scream. Rhubarb ice cream. If you